Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video over here, I'm going to be comparing BMW versus the Volkswagen four-cylinder turbocharged engines and the cost of oil service. So we have the cost of oil service for the BMW, and at the same time we have a cost of oil service here for the VW, such as Audis, Golfs, for the four-cylinder engine. So four-cylinder turbo for the VW as well. I'm gonna go into this video right now, and I'm gonna just tell you that if you looked at my old video about BMW oil changes, how much, you will know that it's 150 to 170, and my subscribers have confirmed in the comments that this is the price that they've been paying in their states. Now keep in mind, in this paper here, I do have the price, how much you're gonna pay for the VW, and I'm gonna disclose that at the end of this video. But first, I wanna let you know that this is gonna be what I have found in the both services, that there is the same amount of oil applied in both engines. There is one wash, and there is one or two, as many as you want when you come to the dealer, as many coffees you want in the muffins. And again, so we are comparing apples with apples. This is gonna be only for four-cylinder turbocharged. So these are the new BMWs that have been around with the four-cylinder turbo engines. And again, you get that thing here with the VW, same oil, same labor, one wash, as many coffees as you want in muffins, and four-cylinder turbocharged. When it comes to the oil, I'm gonna specify that it's synthetic, as some of you guys may have presumed. And now, just to be transparent and 100% spot on with you guys, this is the price that I paid for the VW. And this is in Canadian dollars, but for you guys, Americans, this is gonna work out to be about 95 USD, here we go, or, which is what I have here, 120 CAD. So as you guys can see, this is the difference. They go usually from 150 to 170, depending on which state you live in, and this is the 95 USD for the same service at the VW. You guys tell me down in the comments if this is justifiable. Is the difference really worth it? In my personal case, I have realized that the BMWs have been less reliable than VWs. So you guys make a call and tell me if it's worth it or not. Like, subscribe if you found it useful, and take care.